Welcome to the fifth day of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Fair warning, this video contains a solution to the challenge for today, so please attempt the problem before continuing on. Reference this video if you get stuck or want to see an alternative way to tackle the problem. And with that said, now on to the day 5 challenge. Okay, let's load up the day 5 challenge. Okay, in today's challenge, we're going to be using conditional logic and control flows. It looks like the renovations have been completed, the floors have been replaced, and the rooms have been painted. And so now we just need to do a deep cleaning, and we need to purchase supplies as the supplies seem to have gotten lost in the move. The thing is that Dot doesn't want to pay more than a 10% premium on the supplies. So what we need to do is take the three lists right here and figure out which items cost 10% more and display that. So to do this, I'm going to use a for loop very similar to the one that we used yesterday. And for the list, we're going to use any one of these three. So let's go ahead and just use the cleaning supply underscore list. And to test it out, we'll print out the cleaning supply list. Let's go ahead and run program. So it runs that in order and gets us a valid result. There we go. We have each of the cleaning supplies in one line. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to figure out the price difference between the city price and the country price. So I'll take the country price of the item and divide it by the city price of the item. Go ahead and test that. So based on this right here, we can see that the dustpan costs 30% higher. Same thing with the garbage bags, they cost 40%, the glass cleaner, etc. so on. It looks like we'll be able to use this information. But let's filter this down a little bit more so it's more concise and more readable so that we don't have to go through this and determine what's 10% or higher. And to do that, we can use an if statement. And we'll take that calculation here and put it there. And if it's greater or equal to 1.1, then we'll print this list out. And this right here are all the items that cost more than 10%. And so if we review this, we should be able to find an answer that matches our findings right here. And this is it right here. Let's go ahead and submit this. And there we have it. I hope you got some value out of this day 5 video of the 21-day data challenge by Lighthouse Labs. I'll be back tomorrow with another video covering the day 6 challenge. See you then.